Hello students. Hey, I want to make a quick GoPro video, give you a tour of the shop. Since you are not here, we're still in COVID lockdown. Want to show you our facility. So when you are back, hopefully in March or April, you'll kind of know your way around already. So I'm on this north end of the shop. By the way, I've still got some of my personal stuff here since you students aren't here. My fridge and my drinks and fan and stuff will go away. That'll be a glue table. We've got 2 glue tables. Eventually, as we need a finish table, one will work as a finish table. Over in the corner, we've got our sink, some brooms for cleanup. Yeah, underneath some clamps. Okay, over here underneath we've got the Craig systems for our nightstand, and in the corner lots of bar clamps and quick clamps, that type of thing. All right, on the east side we've got 3 router stations for our raised panel system I'll be teaching you about, and there's your safety cabinet for your safety glasses. You'll be getting those out at the start of each class. We've got 6 tables. Okay, 4 of you will sit at each table. All right, I wanted to quickly show you some projects that you'll be doing. Of course, we start out very simple in the intro class with a plaque. So you guys will get a plan and a plan of procedure, and you'll follow that, and when you're done, if you do a good job following it and with measurement and all that, you'll have a nice customized plaque when you're done. You can laser your graphics or router them in, and if you router, then you can also choose to epoxy or not your graphics to customize your plaques. By the time you've gotten that done, you'll have touched most of the machinery in our shop. And you'll have passed the safety tests as well on each, and performance tested on each, so you're comfortable with the machines. After that is a cutting board. Once again, you'll get a plan, and on the back of here we've got a plan of procedure that you'll follow. Notice on one side we've got kind of a drip groove, so as you're using it to cut up vegetables and fruits and whatever, the juices wouldn't run off the board, it would stay in the groove. Then on the other side, you're going to customize it with your graphics. Okay, anything school appropriate would work for your graphics. It could be a picture off of your phone that we can put into an app and turn it into a pencil line drawing, so we can burn it or laser it. After the cutting board is our lap desk. Once again, you guys are going to be writing your own plan of procedure. Okay, after you do a couple projects, you should kind of have an idea of how to, if I gave you the plan, what would you do for the plan of procedure? The first step, second step, all the way to where we put the finish on it. One side of the lap desk is for your, you could write on it, do your homework, put your laptop on it. It could even be a serving tray if you lock it down. Okay, so you could set in your in your bed or on your favorite chair on the sofa, and use this to help you do your homework. Okay, one side is with your personalized graphics. After that, in our intro class, the next project or plan is a mini cedar chest. Got a couple examples here. Once again, you'll follow a plan and a plan of procedure. Okay, that'll be our introduction to raised panels. Okay, and we'll use a biscuit cutter, some screws, a lot of different machinery and fasteners than we used on the other projects. Okay, but you'll get to customize it and take it home when you're done. Okay, so that's the intro class, and then the advanced class, they get to make a nightstand, and once they're finished with the nightstand, they get to design their own projects. Okay, so that's the plan for the 2 classes. Intro to Design and Pre-Construction is a freshman class for just a quarter, and then the other two classes, woodworking principles, furniture and cabinet fabrication, are the 2 semester-long classes. Wanted to show you over here, we got our cabinets. Real quickly, in the far right cabinet, we've got a lot of our electrical hand tools, rotary sanders. We've got pneumatic tools like our staple gun and brad gun, and the biscuit cutters in there, that type of thing. Hand tools, glue, that kind of thing. In the next cabinet, it'll be a little more organized. I'll be forced to organize a little better when you guys are here. And then we've got a bunch of hand tools, your cordless drills, and it's a power station there as well to get our batteries powered up. Okay, and there is our compressor. All right, moving on. We just had new lighting installed. We just had a new vent system installed to all the machinery. So they've been doing a lot of work in here. We still have some to go, but we're making gains. We have 2 edge joiners. We have 2 saw stop table saws, a nice heavy duty radial arm saw. Okay, miter saw on a stand. We've got 2 band saws. We've got 2 tabletop drill presses, and then 1 floor unit there as well. That's our surface sander and our planer. Over here, we've got a CNC router and our laser. We've been talking about those 2 customize your projects. All right, got a couple more table routers here and some sanding machines, a belt sander and oscillating spindle sanders, okay, over in this corner. Back here is where you will store your projects. Okay, we've got some storage back in here. When COVID hit, students had to leave their projects. They weren't able to return, so we've got a lot of students that'll have to come in and get their projects. A lot of them were just about ready to finish their lap desks. Another class will meet in here for their storage. Same thing. Got a lot of projects in here right now where students weren't able to recover their projects before we were under lockdown. Back in here is where I'll be checking out wood to you, our wood supply room. We've got all the wood we need to get you started. I got several different species. We've got some walnut, some cedar, cherry, poplar, some a lot of oak as well. Okay, so this is where we'll supply our room, and when we get deliveries, you guys will have to help me stack it nice and straight so it doesn't warp on us. In here is our unfinished finish room. Let me see if I can flip on the light here. Nice and bright. They installed new lights. We're in the process of putting in a explosion-proof exhaust fan, and then we'll bring in some shelving, clean this place up. We need the pneumatic airlines for our sprayer, and we will be set. So that is a quick little tour. I wanted to show you there is a stairwell and some storage upstairs, but that'll be off limits to students. Okay. All right, so that is our quick tour. Hope to see you soon.